Hi everyone, thanks for joining again. Yes, we are back. We're cooking with Gwen Taylor, cooking with pumpkin. Here I am, just to show you a small meal, maybe 30 minutes or less, cooking with pumpkin. Yes, but it's not just for the wives. No, it's not just for the husbands, but I'm here for everyone, just to get you up and let you know that you can do it. I believe in you, so let's get up and cook. So remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share. I love y'all, so let's cook. Here we are again. Just another little something we're gonna throw in the pot and cook. Remember to like, remember to share, and subscribe. Yeah, I got it right this time. So I hope everyone is well, and I hope everyone is surviving. We're still, battling this virus, but I thought of something healthy to cook. Some of us, we're on this 21 day. It's not a cleanse. It's a cleanse. Well, but no, it's our consecration. So this week we're doing vegetables and fruits and peanuts and what else? But no meat. Okay. So I decided. I said, well, let me show that. Let me fix something that's healthy. And something that everyone could eat, even if you're not on the 21 day. This is a 15 bean soup. It's 15 different beans. It don't have the S on it. It says beans in this soup. 15 different ones. I mean, it's all kinds. It's lima beans. It's black beans. It's yellow-eyed beans. It's kidney beans, it's a cranberry bean, it's a white bean, it's a pink bean, it's a small red bean, it's a yellow split pea beans, it's a little beans, it's a navy beans, it's a white kidney beans, black beans, all kinds of beans, large lima, northern beans, baby limas, green split, all kinds of beans, 15 different beans in this soup. So, it must be healthy. It has all the vitamins and nutrition, so you can have from A to Z. A to Z, all of it. And it's pretty easy. And I didn't realize I had picked up the Cajun. They have this Cajun seasoning in it. So, and the first one I did, it had ham. It had a ham seasoning. So I didn't do the ham because I'm doing healthy, so no meat. But this soup, you can add, if you decide, that you want to add meat to it, you can add ground beef, you can add ground turkey, you can add pork. So whatever you want to do. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to saute our vegetables. So our vegetables, I have carrots, I have onions, I have celery, and I have red bell pepper. So I went ahead and I sauteed this because since I'm using the instant, it's supposed to be instant. Take about an hour and a half to cook. But you could use your crock pot. They cook overnight. You could use your top of the stove. And this is considered a long pot, okay? Because the beans, it takes a long time. So I saute my vegetables. So these are my vegetables. So that's onions, red bell peppers, carrots, and celery. So probably about, I guess this might have been half of, maybe 2 stalks of bell pepper, and probably about 4 small carrots. So you can saute your vegetables right here in your Instant Pot also. So if you're using the Instant Pot, you can saute, just hit, and then now you're going to add, I'm going to add my vegetable. I have vegetable broth, vegetable stock. And, if you have some, home that you have already, that's great. So this would be like 4 cups. 4 cups of vegetable stock. Any kind of vegetable stock that you have, or you have in your freezer, in your refrigerator. Yeah, use that vegetable stock. So I still need some more water. So I'm adding 4 more cups of water. Adding 4 more cups of water in that, and I'm going to add 4 more cups of water. So it's like, oh God, 12 cups of water. So I'm going to add another 4 cups water, and I'm going to get it started. And it's going to be on soup. I'm going to say soup. So when I start the soup, I'm going to add like 2, you can use your fresh garlic, but I don't have no fresh garlic. So I'm going to use like 2 teaspoons of garlic. So that's what I'm putting in there. And now I'm going to add, now they gave me a Cajun seasoning. So this is the pack that came in the pack. So this is, I'm not going to put this Cajun seasoning in until it's finished. So here's my beans. See how my beans look? So I'm going to, I didn't soak it. If you soak it, you need to change your timing and everything. You don't have to soak it if you're, most of us, we grew up soaking our beans for hours and hours. So I'm going to put that, I rinse them all. Add them to the Instant Pot. And this is going to be a delicious, so it's going to take a while. It's going to take a while. Even, I don't know why they call it Instant Pot, but I guess it still takes less time than normal for regular stove or pot that you're cooking. So this is going, and then I'm going to put it on soup. I'm going to put it on the soup, and I'm going to let it cook. No salt, no, because if you add the salt, it's going to kind of take away its, you need to add the salt after it's cooked. So here we go. I know some of you are afraid of this little pressure cooking thing, but you just have to, after when it's cooked, just let it sit for a few minutes until that steam is out. Okay, it's closed, and I'm going to hit soup, 45. So in a few minutes, it's going to say this, and just let it do its thing. Then you can go about your business. You can go and read your word, and you can go and pray, and you can go and watch a movie or something, and just let it do its thing. But now when it's finished, you can add some other, whatever you want to add. Like I was thinking about adding potatoes. So maybe tomorrow, since I have a big pot, here it is. So since I have a big pot, I'm going to, can you come the two like almost an hour and a half. That's how it looks. So that's all the vegetables in it. I mean, a lot of vegetables. And you see, I put 12 cups of water in it, and that's all the broth that's left. That's the soup. That's how the soup looks. If you want to mash some of your soups and kind of make it, you could do that. But it's a lot of vegetables in there. So that's the soup. So I'm going to some tomatoes, and I have some petite and some sauce. I'm going to add some tomato sauce. Let me get that up. So this is a 15-bean soup. Add some potatoes to it. You can add potatoes. Some people might want to add mushrooms for your mushroom lovers. So yeah. So now I'm going to add some seasoning. So add some seasoning to it. And so I'm going to add a little dry parsley. And so that was like maybe a teaspoon. Yeah, probably about a teaspoon. And I like season all. So I'm adding season all. Still no salt because there's some salt in the season all. So maybe a teaspoon of that. Add some black pepper, a teaspoon of that, and some of my, I didn't put any, one of my worship sauce. See my worship sauce? Some, I think I added some already, but I should have added some, maybe when you get it started. So we're going to let this cook. Just like that. This is so easy. But I know I need to have some meat for my family. So I add some meat to this and probably make some cornbread. And and that's it. I'm gonna add a little of this Cajun. Just a little, because Cajun is usually kind of, it has a little kick. I'm gonna add a little Cajun. Just a little Cajun to it. There's no meat. It's still, so this could be like a vegan meat. So this is how it looks. I don't think I'm eating any of that, but this is going to be so healthy. So, you know, just do you. If you maybe do some your seasonings that you like, I know you will enjoy it. It's going to be nice and healthy. I made all these beans and peas. You know, I love beans and peas. So I just wanted to share that with you all today. That's it. You know, you might want to add some basil leaves in it. You might want to add some, so whatever you have in your cabinet, use what you got. Just make it a nice pot. So, you know, so now I still would not need to let this maybe simmer for about 15 minutes or what. And that's going to be it. This is doing its own thing. It says the soup is on. So that's how the Instant Pot works. It's real simple. You know, so it says slow cook. They said even an egg, you can make an egg and a cake in the Instant Pot. There are all kinds of Instant Pots. I think it's about about 5 or 6 different Instant Pot, different sizes and different things that you can do with your pots. But, you know, they make this Instant Pot, and it's a pressure cooker also. So if you want it's a pressure cooker, I guess I'm doing, yes, that's what I'm doing. But I hope everyone is well, and so we're going to wait for this to simmer so I can show you how this 15 bean soup looks. 15 beans. Try it. You might like it. Especially if you're trying, you know, everybody has all these New Year's resolutions now. So this is the time that you can make something healthy. This is the time you can sit back and, you know, enjoy some healthy food. And a 15 bean soup might be it. And of course, you can eat this for days. You can eat it for lunch. You can eat it for dinner for about 3 or 4 days. You know, with that pack, that's a lot of eating in that. But I hope you all try it, because you might like it. I know some of you are still tired of cooking. I was talking to one of my girlfriends last night, Joyce, and she would say she's still gonna like to cook. You want to eat, right? You got to cook. You got to cook. I know you're going to the restaurants. Well, you're calling your order in or whatever. But still, you got to cook. I'm just trying to help you. I'm just trying to let you know I believe in you. Just letting you know that you can do it. You can do it, y'all. So I hope you're ready to try the soup. But you know, I have a song. How about the other day, I got a request to do a song. I said, wait a minute. This is supposed to be a cooking show. I was just singing just to waste some time since the pot is doing this thing. Yeah, I got a request to do a song. I said, okay. So I guess I'm doing all right. But hey to Mom and my sister and my brother, I know they're watching. But the song that came in my mind with these days and with how things are going and we're getting ready for the inauguration and everything. And this song is so old, I don't know if any of you remember it, if any of you know it. It says, Jesus be a fence all around me. Do you all remember that song? Yeah. Jesus be a fence all around me every day. Jesus, I want you to protect me as I travel along the way. I know he can, yes, Lord. I know he will, yes, Lord. Fight my battle if I just be still. Oh, Lord, be a fence all around me every day. Y'all remember that song? Oh, God, I know Kendall don't know it. My cameraman is still here. Jesus, be a fence all around me every day. Jesus, I want you to protect me as I travel along the way. I know he can, yes, Lord, I know he will, yes, Lord, fight my battle, yes, Lord, if I be still, yes, Lord. Lord, be a fence all around me every day. So is that your prayer? That's our prayer for our children and our family and our loved ones, especially those that's battling the virus every day. You hear about someone that's going through the virus, and we just pray for them and ask the Lord to just be a fence around them and protect them, and He'll do it. Yes, He will. He'll do it. So let's see how our beans is doing. So see, that's how our beans is doing. Let's cook, y'all. So I know ground beef would be good in this, and I know just about anything would be good in this. But it's really ready now. You know, I just added the else was cooked. You know, so it's ready. So, but like I said, it in the Instant Pot. So I'll say maybe about 2 hours. So from work, you probably wouldn't be eating until about 7 o'clock. But that's just a simple meal. You know, I try to give you menus that you can cook and you can serve to your family and your loved one, okay? It's called the 15 bean soup. I want you to try it, and I think you're gonna like it. So, I guess I'll go ahead and try the bean soup. And that's it. That's it. Yep, it's ready. It is ready. And what I'll do, I will make some cornbread, corn muffin for my family to eat. I'm not eating any bread. So the beans, the carrots. See how you like bean soup? No meat, no dairy product. That's it. So I'm gonna try it. Well, thank you for this bean soup. Something healthy, something to, Kendall said it's a cleanser. All kinds of good stuff. We thank you, God. You've been good. Thank you. So this is a bean soup. Carrots. I have added the carrots. Yeah, I'm going to add potatoes to this. So let's see if I need anything else added to this. Oh, that's here. Black-eyed peas. Lima beans. Here we go. There we go. I don't want to burn myself. It's hot. That's a hit. Oh, you're going to like this. You might leave chicken noodle soup alone after that. That's good. Hot. That's good. That's 15 bean soup. Just like that. Something different. And if you were used to eating the lima beans and the black-eyed peas and the field peas, and this one has an array of beans. And you're going to like that. I just added the carrots, and that's good. That's real good. Well, that's it. 20 minutes and we're finished. This is a short pot today. Well, kind of short, long, short. But you know how you go to the oven and you pull out what was cooked already. So that's what I did, because I know I couldn't keep you on here for 2 hours. I have lots of soup that we're going to be eating. Well, a couple of days. I probably need to put some in the freezer. It's after the second day. So I'll put some in the freezer. Well, thanks for joining. I hope you all enjoyed it today, and I hope to see you next longer meal next week. So remember to like and remember to share. And I love you all. And I'll see you next week. Yay! Thanks for joining another episode of Cooking with Pumpkin. Remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. I'll see you next week.